let's cook an Appalachian staple, streak of lean meat. Streak of lean is basically an Appalachian staple. I like to think of it as equivalent to Fatback. You really just need to place it into a pan, making sure that it is not overcrowded. Sear it on both sides, low and slow. As you can see, it is getting very crispy very quickly. You can see the grease as it comes out. With darkness in the pan, that is the salt which has cured the meat. This was basically a cheap cut of meat that all families enjoyed in the past. The most important thing to do for the meat when it is done cooking is to place it on a paper towel so that it can drain the grease out. My grandfather actually loved taking the grease from the pan, putting it on cornbread, and eating it. He would also mix some sorghum syrup in there, which, as you can see, separates in the grease, and enjoyed that for a midday snack or even as part of his dinner.